Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer as always that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $838.6 billion. We're up 3.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.1%. Looking across the board, you guys can see we are starting to see a lot of green across the board over the last 24 hours, but still nothing to be getting excited about right now, because the price of Bitcoin is still in extreme bearish territory. But yes, obviously you may make the statement that we're seeing a green day. Obviously that is exciting, but overall, if we're looking at the broader picture, it's not something that we should be getting too hyped about just as of yet. But today, guys, I want to look into Litecoin, and if you're a Litecoin holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. You guys can see Litecoin is making massive moves within the space right now. It's up 14.1% in the last 24 hours in USD per comparative. With the current price of $69.32, with current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking at that top 16 spot, and it's also up 11.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. You guys can see the overall market cap is currently sitting at $4.96 billion, just shy from $5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $1.16 billion. And I've been mentioning this to you guys. You guys can go watch my videos over the last few days. I said Litecoin is holding extremely strong, and the overall momentum is very positive considering what's happening within the space over the past few weeks. And I'm not surprised at all with this massive move that we have seen over the last 24 hours after Bitcoin seen a little bit of a green move towards the upside. That just goes to show the momentum is on Litecoin's side right now. But before we jump into the charts and see what exactly is going on, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Litecoin Foundation came and posted this on their Twitter. They mentioned over 60 million Litecoin have been in cold storage for more than a year. So that is very nice to see. That means like about 60 million of Litecoins are not on the exchanges being traded, and that is a good sign as well. But now let's get right into the price and see what's going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, this right here is the daily time frame, and the price is currently sitting at $69.20. We're still below this level of resistance, which we have not yet managed to break above of since all the way dates back to May 8th. And could this be the time? Could this time be the time where we see Litecoin start retesting this level of resistance and actually break out of here back on the 61.8? We will get into that. Excuse me, I'm kind of under the weather, so my apologies on that. But let's bring out the daily time frame a little bit zoomed in so you guys get a better perspective as to what really is going on. So as you guys can see, look at the buying pressure. First of all, I want to make you guys realize this: the buying pressure is definitely something nice to note right now. We are seeing more pressure, which is definitely a positive intake. And again, as I said before, this is not coming as a surprise to me, because the overall momentum that Litecoin has been showing over the past few weeks has been extremely bullish in my personal opinion. And right now you guys can see we are trying to retest this level of resistance that we've been trying to get past of since this massive drop, which is around that $74 mark. Can this time be the round where we break out of here and start heading to some levels such as the $84 mark, since we have not seen for about a few months, since May 16th or 17th of this year. So right now currently we are about like 8-10% move away from those levels. Can I see that happen? Of course I can see that happen, especially if the price of Bitcoin continues this upwards trend that we're forming right now. You guys can see yesterday was a massive day. We did see Bitcoin form a double bottom at this yearly low of $15,584 mark, but we have seen a bounce towards the upside. But this does not mean we should be getting excited right now. We do still need to be in the 78.6 zone, and most importantly a $22,100 mark for us to be getting excited. But I still do believe that there is more downward momentum to go for Bitcoin before we start the next leg up officially. But as far as Litecoin is concerned, overall very bullish momentum, and this really goes to show why this project has been gaining so much momentum over the past few weeks. And a lot of FUD still, regardless of that, was coming. Litecoin is a crappy coin, XYZ. You guys already know the drill, but Litecoin is making massive strides, and no one can deny that right now. The next level of resistance is around this $96 mark, which is currently, let's bring out the measuring tool for you guys. This zone is currently about 40% away from that zone, and this would be very, very important for the price of Litecoin to break. If it does, then I do expect that we are going to see an upwards trend occur and see some prices that we have not seen for quite some time. So right now we do need to keep in mind that we need to break out of the $75 mark first before we just start discussing the breakout out of this level of resistance. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and what is causing Litecoin to outperform the overall market right now. Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.